Nobody thinks about that. Is time traveling real? Well, what is time traveling, right? You go inside of a machine and you travel to the past or to the future. So when a child is looking at you, they're looking into the future. And when you're looking at your child, you're looking at the past. Because you're looking at who you used to be. Your child is looking at who they will become. So is that time traveling? Yeah, it is. You were 10 before your child was 10. You were 15 before they were 15. So now you get to teach them what 10, what 15, what 12 is going to look like. And now you get to look at them. You get to look at them and say, wow, that's the past. This how I was in the past. And I can change this. Oh, you wasn't educated. You wasn't loved. I wasn't loved. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to love you. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to build you. Just like that, your child goes from walking like a child one day to walking exactly like you.